What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Quick update for Gala, currently sitting at 0.028, down 3% on the day. Same market cap of 199 million. 24-hour volume 114 million. Let's hop into the charts. So we came right down to our target, very close, not quite. We came down to 0.0269 instead of 0.026, but that's a-okay. So if we can bounce up to the minimum target of 0.0296, that's the minimum target for wave 4. Then there is potential for this wave 3 to be complete. However, if we just break down from here, then the wave 3 is not yet done. But as I mentioned, we did reach the target. So you may see a push up into this yellow box before continuation down into this target zone. I think Bitcoin is going to come down to about 25.5K before reversing. So we got a little bit more room to come down for our friend Gala Games. Daily time frame, we're down at our next support box. Came right down to 0.027. As you can see, we have resistance here, previous support, and that's where we're seeing a little bit of reaction. We've had days and days and days of red candles, so I would expect to see a little bit of a bounce relatively soon. Indicators are absolutely in the floor. If we just break down, your next support is 0.023 to 0.024. But I do think we are getting closer to turning around. I think all the people selling from Coinbase and people panic selling from other exchanges, that may be coming to an end, but we'll have to see how it plays out over the next few days. I do think Bitcoin still has room to come down, but I'll get into that in my BTC video. All right, guys, that's it for this little update. We're in a Bitcoin short trade, which is in profits. We got in at 29.2K. I gave a signal in the Discord. If you sign up to BitGet or Bybit, up to 8K in bonuses on BitGet, up to 30K on Bybit, check out my full length tutorials. All you have to do is make your first deposit on one of the exchanges. You get a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis. Crypto news, members post their profits. One of the guys crushed it on a Matic short trade. And yeah, all you have to do is make your first deposit, email me your sign up email, 30-day free trial. Otherwise, it's only $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon link for direct access. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, setups, trade setups, talking all things crypto. Sign up to the Patreon link, free access, as I mentioned, through signing up to the exchanges. Email me or sign up email. All right, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'm going to go to the gym again, second workout of the day. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.